Good morning, my friends. Yesterday we are already discussed valuation of perquisites. Different perquisites we are discussed: sweepers, gardeners, watchmen, electricity, educational facility institutions, fringe benefits, use of mobile assets, transfer of mobile assets, gifts, etc., etc. Out of these that discussions we are already I already told you that a separate video will be uploaded on transfer of mobile asset and valuation of car. Today in this video, it is designed particularly for these two topic alone. First one, that is transfer of mobile asset, and the second one, that is valuation of car. All of you please listen these videos very carefully. First area, that is transfer of mobile asset. Where an employer transfer any movable asset to the employee or to the member of his family, the value of perquisite shall be shall be computed as. Please listen these three words. First one, computer and other electronic items. We know that suppose this transfer of mobile asset in terms of computer and electronic items, what will be the perquisite value? That means actual cost minus depreciation at the rate of 50% per annum for each completed year of use under written down value. Listen, this means when computer and other electronic items are transferred, the perquisite value will be actual cost minus depreciation at the rate of 50% for each completed year of service of use or each completed year of use. Clear? Then next one, that is motor car. Suppose we are transfer this motor car, what will be the perquisite value? Perquisite value will be actual cost minus, as in the case of computer and electronic items, depreciation at the rate of 20% per annum for completed year of service under a written down value. Clear? Same as in the case of computer, but thing is that depreciation will be 20%. Computer and other electronic items, depreciation will be 50%. And any other items other than motor car and computer items, perquisite value will be actual cost of asset minus depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum for each completed year of use under straight line method. Please listen. So these are the important things that we have to bear in mind while calculating the perquisite value of transfer of movable assets. We have categorized these movable assets into three: computer and other electronic items, motor car, and any other assets. Getting? So that's all about the transfer of movable assets. Then another important one, that is valuation of car. So more than 1.5 page or 2.5 pages is used for describing and explaining the valuation of perquisite of a car. It is taxable only for specified employees. We are already discussed who are the specified employees. Motor car is only taxable for specified employees. Let us condense all these information in a clear-cut picture. I will explain these So by using this picture, you can elaborate it in two or three pages. You may ask a question for theory, for public exam as a theory, how to value motor car. Then along with this, you can expect a question from this part to calculation of perquisites of motor car. Clear? So let us see first one, that is